You got to study. Study the craft. And a lot of things that we think we can't do or we're not allowed to do, if you read the fine print, you could do it. That's what they do. They read the fine print. You just got to study. The best team is the most prepared team. Look at life like you look at sports. The one that is the most disciplined, has the best workout, you know, most of the time, the people that are successful aren't the best at what they do. They just are the best at working the hardest at what they do. The discipline. But if you're not doing something you love, you ain't gonna want to do it. So you have to find what you love, something you would do for free, and then that's what you do every day, all day. Get paid for doing something you would do for free.